Hello dear students, today we'll discuss a very important topic called adverbs of frequency. Before we discuss this, we must first know the meanings of the terms verb and adverb. A verb tells us about the action that is happening in the sentence. I repeat, a verb tells us about the action that is happening in the sentence. This example will make it clear. Look at the example that is given below. Akshaya answered the question and won the prize. Akshaya answered the question. In the above sentence, answered is the action word. That is, it tells us about the action. Hence, it is the verb. Hence, verb tells us about the action. A verb tells us about the action. Then what about the adverb? An adverb is a word or a phrase that qualifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. I repeat, an adverb is a word or a phrase that qualifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Or you can simply say an adverb tells how the action is happening. An adverb tells how the action is happening. A verb tells us about the action, whereas the adverb tells us how the action is happening. Look at the example that is given below. I have taken the same example that I had given for the verb. Akshaya answered the question and won the prize. That was the sentence, or that was the example I gave for verb. Now look at this sentence. There is just one difference. Akshaya quickly answered the question and won the prize. What is the difference? Here you can see the word quickly before the verb answered. In the above sentence, answered is the action word. There's no doubt about that. That is, it tells us about the action. Whereas quickly qualifies the verb answered, or in other words, tells us how the action happened. Akshaya definitely answered the question, but how did she answer? Quickly. Hence, quickly is the adverb. Quickly is the adverb there. Now let us know about the adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. First, let us know the meaning of the word frequency. Frequency means the rate of occurrence of anything or the rate of occurrence of something. అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు ఒక పని జరుగుతుంది. Adverbs of frequency are the adverbs that tell us how frequently something happens. I repeat, adverbs of frequency are the adverbs that tell us how frequently something happens. Now with the example, it will be clear. Look at the example. 1. I always have my breakfast on time. I always have my breakfast on time. Here the verb is have. Here have is the verb and always is the adverb. Here the adverb always tells us that I have my breakfast on time almost every day, at all times, and I seldom miss the time. I seldom miss the time. Hence, always is the adverb of frequency here, and it means almost all the time or at all times. This adverb always is qualifying the verb have. Now let us look at a few more examples. Example number 2. Chandana usually spends her time watching movies. Chandana usually spends her time watching movies. Now what is the verb in this sentence? Spends is the verb. Now you might have already guessed the adverb there. The adverb is usually. Here the adverb of frequency is usually. The above sentence means that Chandana has the habit of spending her time watching movies. So usually indicates something done as a habit. The frequency is lesser than always but greater than often or frequently that we are going to discuss next. I repeat, the frequency of occurrence of usually is lesser than always. Always means at all times, almost every time. Usually is a little lesser than always, but greater when compared to often and frequently. The third sentence. Akhila frequently or often chats on the social media. I'll repeat the sentence. Akhila frequently or often chats on the social media. Now here you might have already guessed the verb is chats. Chat. What about the adverb? The adverb of frequency here is frequently or often. Here frequently and often have almost the same frequency of occurrence. I repeat, frequently and often రెండు దాదాపు సమానమే అన్నమాట, have almost the same frequency of occurrence. The above sentence means though not always, Akhila most of the time can be found chatting on the social media. Most of the time Akhila can be found chatting on the social media. Now what is the difference between frequently and often? With usually, always is almost all the time. Usually is a little lesser when compared to always, and frequently or often is lesser than usually. This is the frequency of occurrence. Now look at the fourth sentence. Ravi sometimes eats fruits for his lunch. Ravi sometimes eats fruits for his lunch. Now here the verb is eats and the adverb is sometimes. Here the adverb of frequency is sometimes. The above sentence doesn't mean that it is Ravi's habit to eat fruits for lunch, but sometimes he has fruits for lunch. I repeat, sometimes he has fruits for lunch. కొన్నిసార్లు అన్నమాట. The frequency is lesser than often. The frequency of occurrence when we use sometimes is lesser than when we use frequently or often. The fifth sentence. Bhanu rarely eats junk food. Bhanu rarely eats junk food. Here the adverb of frequency is rarely. The verb is eats and the adverb of frequency is rarely. The above sentence means that Bhanu almost never eats junk food, and if he does, it is rare, that is once in a blue moon. The frequency of occurrence is the least when compared to always, usually, frequently, often and sometimes. When we use rarely, barely or hardly, the frequency of occurrence is the least. So, what is the order of frequency of occurrence of all these adverbs of frequency that we had discussed? Let's see. The first is always. It means almost all the time. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం always అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు. The second usually సాధారణంగా. The third frequently or often తరచుగా. It is followed by sometimes కొన్నిసార్లు కొన్నిసార్లు, and sometimes is followed by rarely అరుదుగా అంటే చాలా చాలా తక్కువ సార్లు అన్నమాట. So the order is always, followed by usually, followed by frequently or often, followed by sometimes and followed by rarely, and the last one would be never. Though it is not given, for your sake I am telling you it is never. Hope you have understood the topic. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.